first week of our online learning closes, I wanted to demonstrate a few things on Google Classroom that people had questions about. What I'd like you to do is take a look at the classwork page of Google Classroom. So all of week one's assignments are clumped together, going assignment 1, 2, and then there's a video support for IXL. There's also resources down below. Next week, you're going to see week 2 assignments. In each assignment week, there are assignments listed in order, numerical order, 1, 2, 3. What I'd like you to do is to make sure that you do the assignments in the numerical order provided. So you should do assignment number 1 first and then assignment number 2. And then next week we'll have 3, so assignment number 3. I'm going to go ahead and click on assignment number 1, the first one that you did last week, and I'm going to click View Assignment. When you do that, all the directions are listed below the assignment title. You're going to see where it says first, second, third. This is the order in which I would like you to do the assignments. It says complete the Edpuzzle video activity. So once you click that, it's going to lead you right to Edpuzzle. You're going to watch the video. On Edpuzzle, it's a way that I can pause and ask questions. It also lets me know that people have watched the video, where the new instruction is that we're missing in our classroom. So this is really important for you to watch, even if it's a review. I'm going to go ahead and click back out of that. The second step was clicking on IXL. The most important thing in the directions is when you click on the link, make sure you use your username and your password for the school computer. The directions in this particular one says set a timer for 10 minutes to practice. You can always practice more. And then send me a screenshot. There's a couple different ways to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and click on IXL. Here is the username and password area that you'd want to go ahead and sign in. When you do your screenshot, I'd like you to go ahead and do the screenshot however your computer works. I'm going to go back to the assignment, and then what I'm going to do is a few things. So I can do add or create. If I want to go ahead and put it in a doc, I'd go ahead and click doc. And as it's creating it, I'm going to go ahead and click on it and open. And then I would go ahead and take my screenshot and put it right in, and then hit turn in. Another way that you could do that is this. I'm going to go ahead back out of that Google Doc, go back to the screen here. What I'm going to be doing is hitting the screenshot again. I'm going to go ahead back. I'm going to hit add or create. I'm going to do file, and I'm going to take that screenshot and just drag it in and then upload. Once you do that, then I will get a picture of it when you turn in the assignment. The last thing for this particular assignment says complete the Google form. Google Forms aren't assessments. Remember, teachers are just giving feedback on the content that you're learning, but a Google Form is a way that you can fill out information and then I get data. And so it's important for you to click on that link, complete the problems, following the directions, first and last name, telling me what class period you're in, and then finishing it out, and then at the end hit submit. I'm going to go ahead back. When I'm done with this assignment and I've done all those steps, remember that should take just about 30 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and click turn in. When I click turn in and turn it in, it's going to give us that option of leaving a private comment if you want to. If you want to unsubmit it, that's also okay. I'm going to go ahead back now to assignment number 2, which I would do next. You don't have to do all the assignments on the same day. Really, it's designed for you to do 30 minutes a day, eventually to have 5 assignments in a week. But if I went down here to assignment number 2, again, here are all the directions, clicking on the IXL, screenshot, and then filling out Google Docs when it's complete. Just so you know that I will be attaching video links as well if people are having some questions. I'm going to hit view assignment. There's the doc that you would fill out. You'd put in your screenshot for IXL. This week, I had a lot of people forget to scroll down and answer some of these. So again, I was looking for feedback on task number 1 and 2. And then here is that last part where it says task number 3. When you feel like you're done, you will turn it in. You don't want to turn it in blank, but you would turn it in when you've completed it. If you're not sure of something, please let me know. Remember, between the hours of 9 and 11:30, I'm right at my computer and I can answer you right away. If it's after that, let's say you're working in the afternoon or the evening, feel free and leave those questions. Most oftentimes I'll check periodically throughout the day and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. So if you do have questions about any other things with Google Classroom, let me know. Again, you're going to click classwork. Just to summarize, you're going to see the assignments in, remember, for next week as week 2. In order to see the turn-in spot, you're going to want to make sure that you click view assignment. Please make sure again to follow all the directions inside, first, second, third step, so on and so forth, and then make sure you turn it in when you're ready.